Meet our new sliding system, the Whitney. With its compressive seals on all 4 sides and its multiple point locks on either side of the jambs, it exceeds Passive House levels of airtightness. It could be built to huge sizes, 40 feet wide, but also with its more elegant, narrow profile, it can fit more traditional size openings just as well. One of the things I really love is its soft close and soft open. So easy to operate. See how the cams engage with the strikers and draws the sash in for a full compressive seal. The Whitney offers design flexibility with unsurpassed thermal performance and airtightness. Brought to you by White Windows, made right here in Ramsey, New Jersey.